Alright, so this is a completely stock 2006 CBR 600 RR I just recently picked up. It's in decent shape for an almost 5-year-old bike, but the exhaust on this thing is way too quiet. So we're going to be replacing it out with a Scorpion exhaust that I picked up on eBay. I think it was about $200 straight to my door for the titanium one. Pretty cheap exhaust, but hopefully it just gives us some more noise, and we're going to make a quick before and after video. So the exhaust now, you can hear it. Alright, so this is the after product of what it looks like when we replace the exhaust. See, it's pretty good looking. Lost the heat shield on there. Don't think I need it. Should be fine. It fits in there nicely. It doesn't stick out too far in the back like a lot of the underseat exhausts do. So let's see how it sounds. It took me about 2 hours to put it on. Probably could have done it a little faster if I had done it before. It's not too cold out here, but I still probably won't rev it up too much.